Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create privacy policy disclaimer and terms page in WordPress. So first thing that you will do is simply go to wordpress.com and sign in into your account. And here on the dashboard on the left side of the screen, just simply go to the settings. And from here, you should be able to see privacy. And since I am just using a free version, I won't be able to show you, but if you do, just simply go to privacy, and after that, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see their create button. And from there, it will automatically redirect you and you will have a template. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and go to Google, and from here just search for privacy policy generator. So from here you will have multiple websites that you can choose from, but I recommend going for this first one, privacy policy generator. And from here, just simply go ahead and check this box, go for the website and click on continue and generate. And after that, just simply provide the URL of your website. What is the website name over here? And after that, just simply provide the entity type. You can go for individual or business and just simply provide the country and state and click on next step. And from here, just simply answer what is being asked, guys, and click on next step. So guys, once you have provided the necessary information, just simply go ahead and provide your email address over here. Just click on generate over here. So guys, if you want to manage your agreement, if you want to change it, you can just simply go ahead and go for your email, and from there just simply confirm the link and you should be able to edit it again. But from here, once you are satisfied with your result, you can just simply copy this to clipboard, and from here you should be able to paste it into WordPress. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.